Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 7 over 10 times c minus 8 minus 1 over 2 times c equals negative 16. Solving means leaving the variable alone on one side, with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. First, combine like terms within each side. This simplifies each expression without changing its value. Combine like terms within each side. The variable coefficients on the left combine to give 1 over 5 times c. Add 8 to both sides so the variable term stands alone. That gives 1 over 5 times c equals negative 8. The variable coefficient is 1 over 5. Multiply both sides by its reciprocal, 5, so the coefficient becomes 1. Quick check, substitute negative 40 for c. Both sides equal negative 16, so the equation balances. So, c equals negative 40.